Welcome back to Decor, where we turn everyday spaces into inspiring garden escapes. Today, we're diving into a whimsical backyard garden design that transforms even the smallest space into a rustic oasis using recycled finds. If you love creativity, sustainability, and cozy outdoor vibes, you're in the right place. This garden style is all about charm and personality, mixing old, forgotten items with lush greenery to create something truly magical. Whether you have a tiny backyard, a corner patio, or even a narrow side yard, these ideas will help you make the most of it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Decor, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite garden style. Let's get started on building your dreamy rustic retreat. A whimsical garden isn't about perfection, it's about storytelling. Think of it as a space where every piece has a past and every corner sparks curiosity. Old ladders, worn-out buckets, and vintage crates can all become part of your garden's personality. Instead of matching everything, embrace a mix-and-match aesthetic. Combine textures like wood, metal, and clay to create depth and interest. The beauty of whimsical design lies in its unpredictability and charm. Let your imagination guide you. Picture how a forgotten object can be reborn as a planter or a decorative focal point. This is where creativity truly shines in small space gardening. Start by collecting items that are sturdy and weather-friendly. Wooden pallets, tin cans, glass jars, and old furniture pieces are excellent choices for a rustic garden setup. Don't overlook items that may seem unusable at first glance. A chipped teapot, an old bicycle, or even a broken chair can become a unique planter or display piece with a bit of imagination. Safety is key. Make sure your materials are clean and free from harmful chemicals. A quick sanding, painting, or sealing can go a long way in making your recycled finds both safe and visually appealing. When working with a small backyard, every inch matters. Start by dividing your space into zones, perhaps a planting area, a seating nook, and a decorative corner. This helps create structure without overcrowding. Vertical gardening is your best friend here. Use walls, fences, and hanging systems to grow plants upward instead of outward. This not only saves space but also adds layers to your garden design. Keep pathways clear and simple. Even a small stepping stone path can make your garden feel more spacious and inviting, guiding visitors through your whimsical oasis. Rustic charm comes from details. Incorporate elements like weathered wood signs, vintage lanterns, and handmade ornaments to enhance the garden's personality. Lighting plays a huge role in creating ambience. String lights, solar lanterns, or candles in jars can instantly transform your backyard into a magical evening retreat. Don't be afraid to personalize your space. Add items that reflect your story, whether it's a family heirloom or a DIY project. These touches make your garden truly one of a kind. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and suit your space. Mix greenery with flowering plants to create a vibrant and dynamic look. Herbs are also a great addition for both beauty and functionality. Layer your plants by height and texture. Tall plants at the back, medium ones in the middle, and trailing plants at the front can create a full, lush appearance even in a compact area. Consider low-maintenance varieties if you're short on time. Succulents, ferns, and hardy perennials can keep your garden looking fresh without requiring constant care. And there you have it, a whimsical backyard garden design that turns recycled finds into a rustic small space oasis. With a bit of creativity and thoughtful planning, even the tiniest outdoor area can become a peaceful retreat. We hope this inspires you to look at everyday objects in a new way and create a garden that's both beautiful and sustainable. Remember, it's not about how much space you have, but how you use it. Thank you so much for watching Decor. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next garden inspiration.